Hey guys, my name is Jenny and welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I post every Monday and Thursday now. I'm so excited. And in today's video, I am going to show you guys my brow routine using Colourpop products. So if you're interested, let's get on with the video. I know you guys, this is pretty scary, but it's going to get better. I promise y'all, okay? Just trust me, okay? In other videos, I have been asked about my brow routine, but I just never got to making the video because, to be honest, I did not like how I used to do my brows before until I discovered Colourpop's brow stuff, and I was like, yo, I really like this. I do feel like I like my routine now, and I'm gonna make a video, so here I am. So first, I like to just brush out my brows. And then I just like to go in with the Colourpop Brow Boss in the color dark brown. I like following my natural shape. I like lining the bottom and then part of the top to connect with the little tail area right here. And I like going in lightly, not crazy hard. Now that I have that lined, I'm just going to shade in the little sparse areas with the same Brow Boss pencil. Now I'm gonna go with an angled brush and Colourpop's brow color in the color Cool Cocoa, which is basically a dip brow. I'm not gonna put it on all my brow, I'm just gonna put it towards the end and I'll show you guys what I do. So I kind of start on the arch very lightly, then go towards the end. And if you feel that you did anything too harsh, it's okay. You could just brush it with the spoolie. Now I'm gonna go back with the Brow Boss and I'm just going to kind of blend in some of my brow hairs to the dip brow. Now I'm going to go with the Colourpop Precision Brow Pencil in the color Cool Cocoa. This pencil is literally made for precision, nothing else. Like if you want something that's precise, this is your baby. It's so thin. And I use this to create the little hairs up in the very front. And I just do it very lightly. Nothing too hard, so then they'll be too harsh, and we don't want that. Now with the spoolie side, I'm just going to blend out the very front so it isn't so harsh. Now for the icing on the top, I cannot live without this product. This product has changed the game for me because, you know, I barely have any hair on my brows. So using this product really makes them look like I have hair, like a lot of hair. It is the Colourpop Brow Boss Gel in the color dark brown. I love this, it's so good. And I just brush it on my hairs. I don't know if you guys can already see the difference, but to me, it's insane. I am in love with the cool cocoa. I'm just kidding. I'm in love with this brow box gel. And if I do not like the shape for any reason, I just go in with like a little flat top like this. Go around and it literally takes it off. These are the final results, guys. And this concludes my video. Let me know if you guys have used any of these products or if you love Colourpop. I love Colourpop. Do not forget to subscribe and press on the notification bell. I post every Monday and Thursday now, so I'll be waiting here for you guys. And just like in any other video, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
And you did it right from the start.